Good morning, students. This is Professor R. Surendran from Government College of Technology. Today, I want to discuss some of the important thing related with the student quality circle. I will share my screen now. So now you are able to see my screen. In our college, from the internal quality assurance cell, we started a student quality circle. So that is the information I want to share with our students. So here the internal quality circle, the student quality circle has to be started for each and every class in the Government College of Technology. So what is the thing we have to do with student quality circle? So we are going to provide the main objective of the student quality circle is to add coaching for competitive exams. So nowadays engineers are ready but not able to face the competitive exams. After finishing the engineering degree, they are not able to face the competitive exams. They took a separate time period and prepare for the competitive exams to get settled in their life. So to avoid that, what we are doing in the college itself, we are providing coaching for competitive exams. Then the second thing is career guidance. So we are going to give the career guidance and the placement activities like group discussion, participation in hackathons like that. So this is the objective of the student quality circle. The student quality circle has to be start for the entire class. So one Telegram group, one WhatsApp group has to be created for each and every individual class. So from that, we are going to identify, analyze, and resolve the problems related to their course, competitive exams, career guidance, and the placement activities like group discussion. So we are mainly focused on the student participation and involvement. So that is the objective of the student quality circle. So how we are going to implement it? So that is the next thing. So we are going to start one Telegram group. In the Telegram group, so who are the members? All the student in the class will become the member, and the faculty advisor of the class is one of the member. And we are having IQC teammate and IQAC coordinator. So they are also joined in your team. And so this is the group where we are going to do the activities. Like, what are the activities we have to do in the group? It is videographic micro learning. All the activities which can be done in the group is are micro learnings. Micro learning means it need preparation for 10 minutes or 15 minutes and deliver for within 2 minutes. So that is the thing we have to remember. All are micro learning. It will not take much time of student. So we have to do what are the activities we are doing: videographic micro learning, photographic micro learning, creating quiz micro learning, attending quiz micro learning, learning through meeting, learning from mistake, notes making micro learning, TAM chart micro learning, formula chart micro learning, practice chart micro learning, mnemonic code micro learning, audiographic micro learning. So like this, different activities are involved for a student. So in this student quality circle, so these are different activities. They will be produced by the each member. So how we are going to procedural step? We have to create a Telegram group along with the faculty advisor, SQC coordinator. So SQC coordinator for the whole college, the SQC coordinator is myself. So I am going to coordinate with you, along with you, and your course coordinator and class advisor and IPSC member will be there. So for each department, one IPSC member is also will be there. So they are joining with you, and I will guide you, all the faculty along with you support. So create a Telegram group of individual of team 4 members. First, there may be a Telegram group for entire class. After that, what we are going to do, we have to create a team. So in each and every industries, the team activity is important. So to create a team culture, so we are going to make a team of 4 members. So it is for accountability purpose. It is for accountability purpose. The team group is for accountability purpose. The entire class is divided into group as per the class strength. So daily task assigned to the members by SQC coordinator. So I will give 1 task per day. So I will give 1 task per day. You have to complete the daily activity and post in the class Telegram group, not in the individual group. Your activity has to be posted in the class Telegram group, and the report has to be submitted by the teammate in the class Telegram group. Based on the activity, points will be added for each activity. For every activity, 1 point will be there. So you have to maintain the activity and the points. Weekly online and offline meetings will be conducted. Discussion about idea and product development in the meetings. So this is the simple thing. So we are going to make it. And what will happen after implementing this quality circle? We should know that life is the continuous process. Education is the continuous process. When we do the activities daily, we will become the consistent action taker. When you become a consistent action taker, you can win every part of the life. That is the objective of the student quality circle. So by using the student quality circle, the best qualified engineers will be produced. So it is the main motto of the student quality circle. So in this occasion, I thank our principal madam to give permission to start the student quality circle, and I thank our IQAC coordinator for taking the enormous effort to start this action, and I also thank our IQAC teammates to support in all the activities. Thank you, everyone. If you have any doubt, we will meet and discuss. Thank you, champions.